Bad memory, slow thinking, no interest in anything that doesn't involve your phone. This has a name now: brain rot. Sounds awful, doesn't it? Think about it. You spend the whole day in front of a screen working, and when you're finally done, what do? You grab another screen, the phone. Endless scrolling. Video after video. Loud, fast, sensational, contextless. None of them challenge your mind, but each one rewards you just enough to keep you there a little longer. You can't stop, because every swipe gives you a hit of dopamine, a quick illusion of pleasure, a micro reward that keeps your brain begging for the next. Then slowly, the effects start to show. You can't focus like before. You forget where you left things that were just in your hand. You feel less creative, like your thoughts are stuck in mud. Even processing a simple paragraph feels heavy. You're constantly tired, restless, anxious for no reason. Familiar? That's not random. That's brain rot. The word of the year in 2024, and for good reason. It describes how constant overstimulation from social media is rewiring your brain, dulling the very circuits that make you human. The ability to think deeply, to sit in silence, to create, all replaced by noise, speed, and chaos. Neuroscientists have studied this for over a decade, and the evidence is terrifying. The same parts of your brain that light up under drug addiction, alcohol, methamphetamine, nicotine, are now activated by your phone. Every short video, every notification, every meaningless scroll is reshaping your reward system. It's not just distraction anymore. It's chemical dependency. You crave quick hits of novelty, and when life doesn't give them, it feels empty. That is why real life now seems boring, because your brain has been trained to need stimulation every second. You can't enjoy silence. You can't read a book without checking your phone 5 times. You can't watch a movie without touching the screen. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Your mind is not broken. It's exhausted. But here's the truth. You can rewire it. You can heal your attention and rebuild your focus, but it requires something rare in this era: intentional boredom. Start by defining boundaries. Create phone-free zones. A room, a table, a time of day. No screens. At first, it'll feel unbearable. You'll feel like you're missing something. But what you're actually missing is the constant noise. Silence will start to feel strange, then peaceful, then essential. That's your brain detoxing. You'll notice it first in small ways. You remember more. You think faster. You feel calmer. You'll start enjoying slow moments again. You'll rediscover curiosity. Reading, learning, walking, talking. All the things that once felt dull start to feel alive again, because they're real. Digital dopamine fades in seconds, but real-life meaning grows with time. The truth is, your mind was never designed for endless stimulation. It was built to rest, to wander, to create connections between ideas. The same part of the brain that solves problems is the one that daydreams, and we've silenced it with noise. You think you're consuming content, but the content is consuming you. You're not watching the screen is watching you. Every swipe trains your instincts, shortens your patience, and weakens your willpower. You think you're in control, but algorithms are rewriting your behavior with every tap. That's why detaching feels impossible. Because you're not just breaking a habit, you're breaking a loop built to trap you. But here's your exit. Make stillness your rebellion. When everyone's scrolling, sit still. When everyone's reacting, reflect. When everyone's chasing dopamine, choose discipline. Because the world is getting louder, but the wisest minds are getting quieter. You don't need to quit technology. You need to master it. Let the phone serve you, not enslave you. Limit your notifications, delete apps that drain you. Use tools that track your screen time, and protect your attention like it's sacred. Talk to real people. Touch the world again. Go for a walk without music. Let your mind breathe. The irony is that silence, The thing you've been avoiding is the medicine your brain needs most. In that silence, creativity returns, focus sharpens, purpose reappears, the storm inside your mind calms down, and you realize something profound. You were never broken. You were just distracted. Because the mind is like a garden. What you feed grows, what you neglect withers. If you feed it chaos, it becomes chaos. But if you feed it stillness, it becomes peace. So stop letting your brain rot in noise. Choose to think again, to feel again, to live again. Don't let your life be reduced to pixels and dopamine. Log off, look up, and return to yourself, because that's the only version of you that truly exists.